Just waiting for an Uber. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Thanks for being here. We are doing another Christmas video, so we have 2 total. Tell them what we're gonna do.
Tonight we're going to see the lights in Layton. So it's kind of next to Layton High School. We're gonna go get some hot chocolate and just walk around and get some fresh air. Even though the inversion's kind of setting in, we're gonna try and get outside, stretch our legs and have some fun.
We'll call it fresh air.
Yeah.
Along with this video, you're gonna see a few clips of us making ornaments, homemade stockings, super boho,
sugar cookies, and I think that might be it, but it's just a combination of us doing Christmas activities and marking things off of our bucket list, and we thought we'd share with you. So thanks for being here again.
Well, dun dun dun.
So pretty sure that our battery or our alternator and or both. So we're waiting for Uber right now, and we'll do the video tomorrow. Crossing our fingers that it's a quick fix. I just got a new battery like 2 months ago, so thinking something else is going out, unfortunately. So here we are, waiting in front of Mattress Deals.
We'll keep you updated. Just waiting for an Uber.
New alternator, new belt, new oil, good to go. All right, take 2. Car is fixed, we're ready to go, and we did not realize how happening this place was.
It's like hopping. There's cars lined up from the main road, and they're all, I think, gonna be sitting in their cars driving around the park, but we are stopped. We're gonna get out and walk around, let Willa stretch her legs and get some fresh air.
Yep, here we go. Are you ready, baby? Here we go.
Turn all the lights off Broadway. Take back every single gift that you gave. 'Cause for every December, now and always, I found a love that I know will stay.
We are ready to put the ornaments in the oven. This one's my favorite one. Oh, cute Willa Jean, her foot. Real quick, I'll hurry and explain. The heart for anniversary, and then 2016 is the A. This is the year we became true Aggies at Utah State University. 2017 is the Switzerland flag because we went to Europe. That was our 2nd international trip. And then 2018, we started our nonprofit mmmmmmmm. 2019, we had little baby Willa, and then 2020, we have our house. Okay, this is a big deal. This is, oh.
Almost our first broken ornament.
As we were saying, this is a big deal because it's your first time putting on an ornament, huh?
Your first
Do you want to put it on the tree? Do you want to put it on the tree? She's like, no, I just want to eat it.
Got snow underneath our feet, and I got you right here with me. We can do all the things that make it Christmas time. Drinking hot chocolate fireside, checking out all those Christmas lights, singing out every word to carols that we like. We only get this once a year, and now it's here. Feels like Christmas when we're all in one place. It feels like Christmas, these memories we make. And all the world is wonderful, it's on display to see. It feels like Christmas. It feels like Christmas to me. There is hope in the winter sky.
Alright, so we're back in the car. It's cold. We're gonna go home and have some hot chocolate, but we hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It's been a lot of fun doing the Christmas memories, and Merry Christmas to all.
Yes, enjoy your holidays with your family and stay safe, and thanks for being here. If you like these videos and you want to watch more, hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate you being here.
See you next time.
Feels like Christmas when we're